Hello, Miss Lina. Do people eat together in your country? Why or why not?
Okay. Yeah, they are eating together in my country, especially in village. In village, they are eating together in lunchtime and also in dinner time. In lunchtime, they usually eat together because more of the people are working in the village, sorry, in the field, so they have chance to eat together without phone, so they can focus to eat together there and enjoying the view, something like that. And also in another side in the city, some people are eating together also. Like example, in my office, they are eating together. But maybe some people are sometimes they are eating alone. Maybe because they don't have enough time to eating together. Uh, and sometimes they feel enjoy to eat alone and watching video. Maybe some people are you also maybe feel enjoy when you are eating and you are watching video. So yeah, like that. Yeah, that's for me. Oh yeah, in festival also, like in because of in Indonesia we have so many culture, so many uh religion also. So in so many festival they are eating together, like in Eid, in Christmas also they have celebrating and eat together. They also even have a special food in their time. I mean, like in the celebrating time. So yeah, that's from me. What about you? Mhm.
Okay, thank you very much for asking me. Same also happened in my country, and in my country has like multicultural country. That's why people are enjoying their food, especially in the village area. Same as you said before. And like I saw in the most of the people village area, they live together and they enjoy it together. And lot of festival they gathering, they have lot of relatives, they are family member if they are separated others, but in the festival time they are gathering all personal are meet together, and it has a chance to sharing their whole story and memories, and they enjoy a lot of food. And if we are talking about winter season, there are so many different kind of cake, festival food, festival like different delicious food they make it and they enjoy together. And we have to mention one it like in our country when people are getting married, so a lot of people are gathering together and they enjoy together like when bridegroom go to groom house, and that time especially two parties people are gathering and they enjoy their party. So yeah, it is interesting in our country.